Hello the world. This is Tatsuya in Japan. Today I'm gonna show you about the part of Japanese history. That's from the rise of Kamakura Bakufu to the start of Muromachi Bakufu. Since the two attacks from the Mongol Empire, the political power of Kamakura Bakufu declined rapidly. And in order to take use of the loss of power, the Emperor Go-Daigo, whose power was limited by the shogunate, tried to overthrow the Bakufu. At first, his dream was failed, but as the Gokenin, who once supported the shogun, started supporting the emperor, and finally he succeeded in overthrowing. This overthrowing is called Kenmu restoration. However, while he succeeded overthrowing the Bakufu, there was a dispute. While the Go-Daigo wanted to realize the emperor-centered politics, his support Gokenin wanted to push the center of politics. Thanks to the dispute, one of the previous supporter of the Go-Daigo, Ashikaga Takauji, resisted the emperor and made Komi the new emperor. This, which means Go-Daigo is no longer emperor. Thanks to that, the Go-Daigo fled from Kyoto to Yoshino, Nara. Thanks to that, in that era, there are two emperors in Japan at the same time. This this period is called Nambokcho era, meaning northern and southern courts period. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.